After a 25-year hiatus, Honda has reimagined its iconic sports coupe for the modern era. Introducing the 2026 Honda Prelude, a harmonious blend of performance, technology, and efficiency. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 Prelude lies a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with Honda's advanced eHEV hybrid system. This powertrain delivers a combined output of 200 horsepower and 232 pounds-feet of torque, ensuring a responsive and exhilarating driving experience. The Prelude offers the innovative Civic shift system. The Civic shift system simulates an 8-speed transmission. This technology enhances driver engagement by delivering a more dynamic and responsive driving experience. Driving modes and technology. The 2026 Prelude offers 3 distinctive driving modes: Sport, GT, and Comfort. Whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the open road, the Prelude offers a driving experience that is both sporty and comfortable, making it ideal for grand touring. Inside, the Prelude boasts a 9-inch touchscreen equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. For audiophiles, the Prelude offers a premium Bose audio system, featuring 8 speakers and a subwoofer, delivering an immersive listening experience. Global availability. The 2026 Honda Prelude is set for global release, with sales commencing in Japan in September 2025. Availability in other markets, including the United States and Europe, is expected to follow shortly thereafter. Considering its performance capabilities, advanced technology, and premium features, the 2026 Prelude offers exceptional value in the hybrid sports coupe segment.